Do you ever feel like your marketing is being lost in the noise? Your content, your business, everything. You're competing against so many different forms of entertainment nowadays that when you post, your audience just simply doesn't care. They don't engage. And you may know that this is about building trust and a relationship with the folks that you want to engage with your business. But how do you build it in a world where everything moves at lightning speed? So what if I told you there was a secret formula to building real, lasting trust with your audience? It's not just about posting more, it's about posting smarter. If you haven't already, here's an introduction to the 7-11-4 rule. It means that your business needs 7 hours of engagement, 11 meaningful interactions, and 4 different platforms. And this was a study done by Google on all the businesses they have access to, which is like all the businesses. So this is a game-changing strategy that's transforming how businesses build relationships online. And it's actually the minimum threshold for someone to actually do business with you. So how do we get the 7 hours of attention, the 11 interactions across these 4 platforms? Because if you're not doing this, then you are missing out on the most powerful marketing strategy in business today, which is trust. But how do you leverage this? How do you build a brand that people actually trust and share? That's actually what we break down in the business pivot principle. One problem, one solution in just 1 hour. But it's the future of marketing and how your business is not going to get lost in the noise. It's how your business is going to stand out in an absolutely noisy world of content and entertainment. So if you're scared of ending up being the next blockbuster that I make fun of in a future video, then click the link, because you're not going to want to miss what the business pivot principle is going to teach you about the future of marketing, which for the record is already here. So you might already be behind.